Hi, I'm introducing you today to my new design tutorials which include making designs in Procreate like this mug design. I will use Procreate app, Apple Pencil, iPad Pro. My iPad is iPad Pro 11 and I'll use Procreate to develop designs and to show how I set up my canvases and how I start working on the design by using different tools available in Procreate. I will capture the screen and show clearly how I set up the document and how I start working on the design by using different tools available in Procreate such as brushes and other tools which are available to make the design process seamless. And you can visit my Etsy shop, visit the sublimation design area. You can see how many applications are there to make sublimation designs. These can be made for mugs, and these designs can be made for pillows and can be used on mugs, brush strokes designs which can be used on t-shirts. And the first project which I'm going to start to show is how to make designs in Procreate is for design for the mugs. These mugs the designs for the mugs you can see can be, here is the detail of the design. These designs can be sublimated on mugs, and there is a different section on my Etsy shop only for mug sublimation designs, so you can see how many designs are there and variety of the designs. So there can be fluid effects, there can be tie and dye effects, there can be alcohol ink designs. Different type of products can also be sublimated such as mugs, pens, keychains and tumblers, and these sublimation designs can be used as background where people can add their text or images and personalize them. And in the end, I have this free mug sublimation design template ready in my Creative Fabrica store, and the link will be in the description, so you can download this design for free and look at how beautiful designs can be created in Procreate app. So we will be posting a new tutorial on every Friday, so please join us on every Friday, and don't forget your free sublimation design for mugs from my Creative Fabrica store. The link will be in the description. Thank you.